Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about data-driven testing using script level. See in my previous video also I explained the script level, how we can able to use and how we can able to run our multiple times for the script, correct? To do that, when I am going to check the same scenarios while using for negative as well as positive, that moment it is every time it is showing fail because our test template will we can able to declare in a one time in a settings place. One time in a settings place means this field login field we can able to declare one time. If you are going to define a positive scenario inside the keyword place, and if you are going to provide here, it required for two parameters. One is username and password, correct? And what will happen, our template is field login and it will call for every time this one. In case if you are using another format, then it definitely it will fail. If you give the positive also it will fail. To overcome that, I done for small modification with we can able to compare for two ways, positive as well as negative. I used here two scenarios. One is admin and valid scenario plus admin 123. Okay, this is a correct password. This is a valid and invalid username and password. Okay, and what exactly I done the changes means there is a press key name means it is a locator and control.a and space. This will clear that text box value. In case if it is already something the value it is presented, then it will clear. The password place also same thing I done. Okay, I waited for 2 seconds. Then I create a new step. This is the one. Here what I done exactly here means I took the one variable that is a text value and run keyword and return the status means we are going to use the keyword and return status means we are going to get for some return status what exactly the value is going to display. Element should be visible. In case if the element is visible for this locator, then give the return status something the value is true or false. If you are providing the true or false, if text value equal to true means the error condition is presented in application, then you can able to verify invalid credentials. In case this value it is give the false, if it is not equal, then you can go to down. Title should be visible means the employee list value you can able to verify. This is the two condition I have modified, and basically this will happen right positive and as well as you can able to verify for negative value, positive and negative both the cases you can able to. Here I wrote only two conditions. You can able to write n number of steps. Now it will pass it. Okay, nothing much problems it will not create, and remaining everything is same. Nothing I changed. Here steps I decreased. That's it, and I added for clearing purpose the space like already value is presented means just going to clear. Then we are going to add the value and inside here we are added for if condition. If the element is visible or not, then we are checking, then it is visible, then checking for error. No means we are going to validate for next session. Correct. Now if I'm running here, you can able to see now. If I run and this one you will not able to find exactly in this console place. You will see in the report place. I will show you what exactly it is done and whether it is my code is working or not, the positive and negative scenarios, whether it is working as expected or not. Those things we'll see now. Positive, negative, then invalid credential, it is cleared and it is done for inside that employee list. Pass. Now, once it is given the list, report, take the report one, go to here. I checked the so many places, that's why I finally got it this one. Okay, now you can see now I'm going to do for invalid place. Okay, now invalid test case, if I'm going to down, see now here a key place. What is the values? Admin we took. Correct. Now you can able to condition place. Last one is message should be display. Then you can able to come here. Green color is if condition. If condition it is verified, this error message should be visible. If you go into expand, then it will show that page contain invalid credential. This is our main validation, right? The text current page contain text is invalid credentials. This is our done exactly. Now it is passed to. Now again you can able to go down. Failed scenarios. It is taken admin password, and again here you can able to expand and see. Now else condition. Here it is showing the green is if, and here it is showing the else condition. You can able to go inside. It is verified keyword. Title should be display, and you can able to verify again employee list. Okay, this is a way we can able to verify positive and negative by using data driven in the script level. That's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues, and also comment on this video. Thank you.